When you look into the history of WAGO, you can see that WAGO always ever was a very innovative company. We talk about cloud systems, we talk about in-factory automation, we talk about controlling smart grids.
We need to look at customer needs and change our business models to be flexible and see what chances we have within the cloud.
Citrix gives us the power to harness the power of cloud services and mobile solutions and big data in a secure way.
For me as an IT guy, I think I have to prepare a flexible workplace. We can decide if we need, for example, in Australia, a workload locally. We can do it very easy with Citrix Cloud solution.
The beauty of a cloud is that you can really try out things like this. Yeah, it is there. Yeah, you don't need to invest in all the assets. Yeah, you can just use the cloud, you can do something.